just fell together. I wrote this a few years back on a red eye back from Las Vegas, and wrote the whole thing in about 20 minutes. This was a real experience. My friend and I, we were at the Consumer Electronics Show, and we do that every year, and he said, let's eat someplace that's not, you know, Chili's or someplace we can go everywhere. Let's go to a local place. So we went to a local place. It was, you know, kindly put a meat market. It was a real, you know, pickup bar. And then we started seeing what was going on, and I gave you some particulars I'm not going to throw out there.
Yeah, that's fine.
But anyway, we saw, you know, there's some, you know, pretty cool stuff going on there if you're young and in shape and ready to get it on. So, just to be honest. So anyway, they were getting it on, getting ready there. So we were eating, and I went to wash up in the men's room. And I went to the men's room and opened the door, and I see this guy washing himself.
Himself.
His junk.
Himself.
In the sink. So normally I would have turned around and just said, no, I'm not. You know, but I had to kind of proceed, so I went over to the men's urinal thing. So I'm standing there, and this guy's talking to me, which is really weird when you're in a men's room. People generally do not talk to each other. You know,
right.
You got your business to do. So he's going, hey man, I'm really sorry. He's obviously smashed. I'm sorry, man. Sorry that you have to see this man, but like I'm with this girl, and she's like unbelievably hot. And you know, we're leaving here in a little bit, and I'm just doing this as a courtesy. You know, I'm getting ready for it. So you know, I'll be done in a minute. I'm going, yeah, okay, you know, whatever. You know, I'm not looking at him or nothing. So I'm standing, I'm trying to wait for him to go, and he's taking time. I'm going, I got to get moving. So about that same time, he packs up to go. And I just walk over there, and he goes, you know, just one word, I wouldn't use that sink. Yeah, I got that. Brian's crying. Here we go. Okay. Can I buy you a few drinks? Can I show you a good time? I know that I just met you, but something's on your mind. It's a dark and smoky bar room, but I can see through the haze. You're a woman who needs loving, and it's my lucky day. Now you say you've never kissed a girl, and you say you ain't been round the world, but I've done both, and I'm proud to say, girl, I can remind you why you're not gay. You're standing mighty close. Wow, I'm a lucky man. You're pretty and vivacious, playing catch me if you can. So I'll wash up in the men's room and we can be on our way. It's my pleasure to remind you, honey, why you're not gay. Now you say you've never kissed a girl, and you say you ain't been round the world, but I've done both, and I'm proud to say, girl, I can remind you why you're not gay. Now I've been to Paris and I've been to Rome, I can love you till the cows come home. Right now there's not much I won't do, so here's another margarita and I'll love you. Yes I do, baby. Now you say you've never kissed a girl, and you say you ain't been round the world, but I've done both, and I'm proud to say, girl, I can remind you why you're not gay. I'm here to remind you why you're not gay. I'm here for you, honey. I'm raving. And to my family out there who's never heard that, so be it.